Hello guys, welcome to another episode of our online Revit tutorials courses. On this episode of our course, we are going to learn how to draw a dream house for your client or for yourself. At the end of this course, you are going to learn how to draw a dream house for your client and for yourself. We are going to start with the floor plans, the levels, the roof, sections, elevations, doors and windows schedule. So this is an exterior view. At the end of the day, you are going to learn how to do this exterior view. You are also going to learn how to do a block plan. You are also going to work on the floor plans and also roof plans, roof framing plans as well. We are also going to learn how to take a section and also label the parts. We are also going to learn how to do section BB, elevations in our model, how to do a front elevation and end elevation, and also the side elevations. Aside, I will be taking off some schedules in the doors and window schedules, as you can see here. Aside that, we have this 3D or these pictorial views here as well. Okay guys, without wasting my time, let's move into the tutorials and let's see what we have for you today.
Okay guys, this is the tutorials for you. As we said in the introduction, on this episode of the tutorials, we are going to learn how to draw a building plan, a dream house, and also provide a dream house for your client and also for yourself and also for your family members. So this tutorials is going to guide you step by step on how to start a level or a ground floor to the roof. Aside that, we are also going to provide sections, elevations, doors and window schedules. So at the end of these videos, these are the elements you are going to see. Then you are going to see this exterior view as well. So guys, let's move into the tutorials and let's see what we have for you today. So what we are going to do first is to go back into our Revit file. We are going to use AutoCAD and also Revit. So I'll move on to my Revit file. So the first thing that we have to do is to set our levels. So you can see in our exterior view in which I showed you, we only have a ground level and also a roof. So this is a single story. So this type of building is called single story. It's just a single story. So it's a 2-bedroom self-contained apartment or 2-bedroom self-contained. So our design is going to be how to draw a dream house in Revit. So this is what you are going to get at the end of the day. So this is the floor plan. So let's move on. So this is our elevation area. We are going to draw first of all do our levels. After that, we try and insert our floor plan as an underlay, then we provide our walls on top of it. So I'm going to create a level here. So I'm just going to do copy. So the ground floor level is going to be 600. So I'll just do 600. I'll just do 600 from here and I'll change this one to ground. Ground floor. So this level is going to be our ground floor level. So I can just click here to edit it up. Also, I'm going to copy this level here and give it 3150. So my question is that I want to know the standard height of a room. So if you know the standard height of a room, kindly comment at the comment section box and tell us the standard size of a room. You can also recommend a book at the comment section box. Tell us the standard size of a room or the standard height of a room. So I'm going to change this one to you. roof level. So guys, this is the level we just created here. We created the ground floor level and the roof level. I hope you've done that. So before I can get these levels in my project browser, I just have to come to my view area and then I'll come to my plan views, search for floor plans, and I'm going to see these levels just located here like that. I'm going to use my shift key to select all of them, then I'll do OK. We've done how to create levels and grid lines in our tutorials. So if you've not watched that video, kindly check the top here to watch our tutorials on levels and grid lines. So after creating these levels, I just have to come to my ground level, but we are going to work on the ground floor. So the ground level is going to serve us for our block plan. That area, we are going to use that area as our block plan. So I'll work at my ground floor level. So we are going to try and bring our layout plan in order to see what we are up to. So before that, I'll come to my AutoCAD file. So in case you want to know how to export a PDF into AutoCAD, you can come to Insert and use the PDF export here. Then you can export your PDF file into AutoCAD. That's what I've done. So I'm going to select my drawing like this. So after selecting the drawing, I'm going to use a command called WD. So this command helps you to capture what you've selected here. So I'm going to use these three dots and I'll browse to where I've saved my file. So I've already saved my length file as ground floor, so I'm not going to save it again. So I wanted to teach you how it works. So after saving your file, you just have to come back to Revit. So we are going to work on the ground floor level, not the ground level. So you have to know the difference. If you want to know the difference, you just have to come to your elevation area, then you know your ground level and you know your ground level and your ground floor level. You also have the roof level. So I'll move on to my ground floor level and try and insert the file here. So I'll go to insert, then I'll come to manage link. Under the manage link, we have series of elements or series of files in which you can link. I'm going to use the CAD format. You just have to come to the CAD format, come to add, then you browse show where your link file is. So I'm going to click on the link file, set my file to, I can use preserve colors or black and white. I prefer preserve colors, and also I can check current DOE. Then I'll choose center to center, and then I'll just have to do OK. So the file is going to load. As you can see, it has been loaded here, and I'll just do OK. So I can see the file here. So what I'm going to do is to check if the dimensions are correct. So I have to check here to get if it's 600. It means it's 0. So I'm going to come to selector support, select the length file, come to edit type. Under the edit type area, you just have to do millimeters and type in what 2100. Sometimes if your file is a CAD file, when you insert it, you get the right dimension. But in case it's from PDF towards AutoCAD, sometimes you get difficult with the dimension. So you just have to try Micro or try and see. So I'm going to dimension if I could get the 600. So after dimension, I now have the 600 here. Okay, that's it. So before that, I'll come to my visibility graphics. I've already explained what is visibility graphics. If you haven't watched that video, check the top here so that you know everything about visibility graphics. So I'll come to my import category or imported categories and come to halftone. The halftone means you want to halftone your length file in order to draw on top. So I'll do halftone here. Maybe the drawing is going to be halftone. So what I can do best is to create what the grid lines in the farm. So I'll come to my architecture area. In case you are an architect or a CAD technician, normally you have to go to the site and create grid lines. So you have to come to the data area, you click on the grid line, then you click on this one, quick lines, then you click on here. So you do one. So after doing one, then the next one you click is going to give you two. So I'm going to do say for the horizontal line, change this one from 9 to 8. So we now have our grid line inside our project. So we are moving on. At the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to draw your dream house. This is a video from step-by-step tutorials. If you are not part of the family, kindly hit on the subscription button and turn on the notification button. Anytime you do a video, you get notified. You can also share our videos and also join us on Facebook, Infinity Board Console, LinkedIn, Infinity Board Console, also Instagram, Infinity Board Console, YouTube, Infinity Board Console. So guys, let's move on to the tutorials. As we provided what our grid line, the next thing that we are going to do is to do our walls. Our walls. So we are going to come to the wall under the architecture tab. Then we pick the walls in which you want. We have series of walls here. In case you want any type of wall, you can also come to the edit type. If you've not watched our wall tutorials, you can also check it at the top here to watch our wall tutorials and also how to edit walls, how to create thickness of a wall. So I'm going to take my wall as I've done here. Then I'll come to the wall. I'm going to set it to the base constraint. And the top constraint, I'm going to set it to roof. So I'm going to do 0 for now. Okay. So we now trace what we have here. So since we have the challenges here, so I'm going to set my location to wall center. Then I'll pick here, the center here. Now I'll have it at the center. So I can end my wall somewhere here. And also I'm going to deactivate the chain and do escape for now. Okay, so after providing this, if you want to do an arc, you just have to come here and pick the start end radius. So I'll pick here and I'll pick here and also click at the middle to get the arc. You can also comment at the section what is the difference between an arc or a chamfer or a fillet if you have any definition. So tell us if this one is an arc or this one is a chamfer. So I can do this. After that, I can just do some aligning. If it's not working, so I'm going to mirror the one at the top here. So then I'm going to use the second shortcut or the second key. For mirroring, I can move my element somewhere here. 3 joints. Okay, I said I can also come to my 3D. Now we have the plan in here. Okay, so back to our floor plan. We can now extend this design here. And also extend this design here as well. Okay, so you can see, let me go back to the 3D. So this is the porch which has some kind of design there. So we are not going to draw that one now. We also have a pergola at the right side of our exterior view. So move on. So the next thing we are going to do is to provide what doors in our plan. So I'm going to come to my architecture tab and pick doors, and also pick the kind of doors in which I want. So 900 by 2.1 is cool for me. So I just have to come here and place it inside. So in case you want to rotate your door, you have to use the space button to rotate your door. So it says we have another wall here, which is for the kitchen store. So I'll go back and take my wall and place it here. So I'm going to use 750 by 2.1 door, for the kitchen store. And also I think some will be for the washroom. So I also want another comment section more the standard size of the kitchen store door, and also the bathroom and the washroom, the standard door, and also the standard door for master bedrooms, and also the entrance. So it seems we have an archway, or there is a free space. So before you can create a space here, you have to come to the modified area, and you just have to click on split elements. You tell Revit that you have to delete it after you've splitted it. So you check this one, delete inner segment. So after that, you can use trim, which is TR on the command. Okay. So this is a space, and that leads to the corridor, and also this one leads towards the visitors washroom, which this bedroom also uses as well. We have the master bedroom, which contains what? The washroom and the WC as well. We have the living area and the porch or the entrance for it too as well. We have another balcony for the kitchen. So after placing the doors inside, we are also going to place in our window. But first of all, let's change our wall hatch or our wall pattern into the right pattern. So you can also comment the wall patterns in which you have under the comment section box. We are all learning together. So when you come to the wall, the VG graphics, then I'll search for your Under the cut pattern, I'm going to browse through and try and make sure here. Okay, I can also choose the color. So I'll just do OK and do apply here. So this is the pattern or the hatch for the wall. In AutoCAD, it's called hatch. In Revit, it's called pattern. So you have to keep it in mind. So this is what you've done so far. So what we are going to do next is to provide a window. How do we know that we have windows here or we have windows around? So because we can't see, we are going to do something. We come back to the VG graphics and look for the wall, and also you can transparize what our wall. So I'm going to do our wall 90. So after doing it 90, now I can see that I have a window here. I have a window here. So I'll come to my window tab. Then also I can also dimension the window in which the client went. So 1.2. I have to come to the window area, search for a 1.2 window. So let's choose this one and see how it works. Okay, I think this one works best. So let's take a measurement tool for this window. So if you want to select here, you have to use the tab key. So this one is 3-bay window, which is 2.7. So I have to align my wall to the underline. So I'm going to do AL, which is the shortcut. Click, use the tab key to click here and also click here back. Do same tab key, click here in order to get it aligned. So because we exported our PDF file into AutoCAD before we brought it into the Revit file, we are getting some little challenges with our file. But we thought that at the end of the day, we want to draw our dream house. So we have our window here, we are not done. So you can see from the 3D we are in progress. And also with the window, you can see we have some protrusion at the back of the window. So later in the video, I'm going to show you how to create a customized window. So let's move on and do more windows. Onto the bathroom windows. So on the washroom windows. So that one we are going to use 600 by 600 is good. Now you know what? I'm going to teach you something. With the orientation of a building, you also have to determine where the sun comes from, and also where the sun rises, and also where the sun gets lost. So this are called orientation of a building. So with this drawing, I decided to do an orientation using the cardinal point, where you can see almost the sun do rises from here. So I have the kitchen area. So before the building will get or the sun will get into the master bedroom, the master bedroom or the owner of or the client might not be in the house. So that's a small gist about orientation. If you also have a definition of orientation and also how to plan the new relationship, provide us with that definition at the comment section box. So let's move on. Now we come to the 3D. Okay, wow, so we are in progress. So this is what you've been able to draw. So we have to provide a door for the entrance, which is a double door. So we have to take also down the dimension of the entrance, 1.5. So I'll click on the door area and I will search for 1.5 door. Then I have to search another door. I don't think I like this door. So let me search inside. I think I'm cool with this. Cool, no, just this. So let me search for 1.5. So it's better I do it on the 3D visual. So let's look for the door in which the client provided or the client wants. Okay. So it's a glazing door. So this is not bad. This is not bad. And let me try and see if I can change the door here. This one too is large. So we are going to use this one. Maybe try and adjust it. So we are going to change the width to 1.5. After that, we come to our block and align it by using the align command, which is AL. So use the tab key again, align it as well. So let me align this one. So this is what we have here. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw what our floor plan, our floor in the building. So we come to floor, then we use the pick line to click here. We try and click on the wall. One also here. One also here. So after doing this, you just use the shrink command, which is TR, to join your boundary. So I can do finish and come to your 3D area and see what you've done. So we are in progress. We are on the tutorials how to draw your dream house for your clients, for yourself, for your family. So this is a step-by-step tutorial in which we started from the levels. We imported ground floor plan as an underlay. We provided all the windows and doors as well, and also the floor as well. So the next thing we are going to do is to select the wall by standing somewhere here or pointing your cursor somewhere here. Then you right click from the right to the left in order to select the walls. So we are going to change the wall base constraint from ground floor level towards ground level. So after doing this, you can have something like this. So the next thing to do is to provide our porch floor. So let me come back to the floor. Use my pick line to that the green. Pick here. Pick the arc. Since the arc is not going to work, so I'm going to draw it manually. Then I can select this one, join it here. So I have to use the line tool. Okay. So our corridor has to have a minus or a down stand of -150. It depends. People do their own 50, 100, or we choose to do ours what 150 or -150. So we can also provide the same for the balcony. Or to join the dashboard. So I can now do OK. I can try and save my file. It's better you save your file. Okay. So this is what we have. Architects don't want to show their elements out sometimes. So we are going to hide our floor. So edit. Then we use align key, which is AL, and align our floor inside. After I can now do finish. Okay. So we are now going to provide a walls for our porch floor. So I'll come back here and there. Or I can also come to the ground level. I think it's best. So under the ground level, I just have to set my wall from the ground level and also set this one to the ground floor. Then I can lose -150. Why am I doing -150? Because the floor is -150. So I can take this ones here. But I can join my wall from here and also do a line. And now narrow this one here. Enter. And use the extend command. Okay, I can do a line here. Come back to my 3D. So I'm going to select these 4 segments. Use the control key from the keyboard to select all. And I'm going to do -300. So this is how to do it. So after that, we will come back to our ground floor level. Then we provide this threshold here. So we come to the structure tab and we look for circulation. Under the circulation, this is where you can find the staircase. So you can draw your staircase right from here. Right from here. Okay, I don't think it can work that way. So you have to eliminate one face. So we select the staircase again, then we do ground level towards ground floor. There you have it. So that you can select this one and also mirror as well. After mirroring, you can just do a line here. Okay. So the next thing to do is to draw what the roof on top of it before we do the naming or the new tags for our roof. So let me do a recap. We've managed to draw our floors, we've managed to draw our windows and our doors. This is a tutorial from beginners to you how to draw a greenhouse in Revit. If you're not part of the family, kindly hit on the subscription button, turn on the notification button in case you release a video or get notified. So let's move on to the next thing. So we are going to come to the roof area and also provide our roof on top. But before that, I like to show you the 3D image we have. So when you see the 3D, you can see the roof is something we call like a secret roof. You can't see the roof. So we are going to extend our walls in here. We're going to extend our interior or our exterior walls. So I would like to select this one and also change it to what additional check on the types of see. Think it's too much, so let's do 600. Okay. But get in mind the roof or the roof slope will determine how much parapet you want to show. So let's move into the roof. So now we can now see our roof walls here. You can also adjust to see the roof or the walls which is under the ground floor by using the view range, which is VR as a command. So I'm going to do minus 600. After doing minus 600, I can now see interior walls here. So I'll come to the structure tab, then I'll look for roof. Under the roof, I'll use the quick line and then I'll put the so I'll have to join something like this. So I can now move this one a little bit, like 200 is good. But first of all, you have to realize that we have a poly tank on top of the roof. So you have to break this area. So I'm going to do I'm going to use the split to split here. Okay. After that, I can use my trim command, which is TR, to join this one together. So we have to get an offset of 300. But first of all, I have to align this one and do an offset of 300 in order to prevent the wash. So we realize that our water tank area is going to worry us. So we realize that we have to do undo because there are walls in which are going to be here. So there is going to be a wall around here, as you can see, a wall around. So this is a roof in which you draw. I have to set a slope for the roof. So I'll just click here and do 6. Tabin says that I would like to take a section through my building. So you see the 6 is very slow. So let's go back to the roof level. Select the roof. Edit footprint. Then do something like that. And click 3 is enough. What did you change? Let's go back to the roof again. It did not change. So I now have my roof like this. So I'm going to move my roof like here. I think let me bring it down. 100. Okay. So guys, this is how to do it. So I think we can add 150 to our exterior walls in order to provide a copy on top of here. So I'll come back to my building again. Select the walls again and do 950. Okay. So what next? So the next thing to do is to draw the staircase around the porch area, which is like, okay. So I'll come back to my ground floor and do floor here. But the best thing to do is to copy this one. Then I'll get this up now. Then we do edit boundary. Remove also this one, then I'll get down. After that, you can pick a line here, close it up, then do trim. Leave the thick lines in here. We do another trim. So you can now set this one -300. I have to delete this. So I have to copy another one here. And also do its count 150. So I can try and align this one here. Okay. So it depends on your design which you want to do at the front of your entrance. Depends on you. So let's move on. So back to our ground floor. Let's do the names inside if you can go to do view range or sorry region. Then I'll come to the floor plan, search for floor, reduce the transparency. So in order to see this is a master bedroom, this is a bedroom, and also this is what the living room. So I'm going to place in what my component inside. So I can search here bedroom. I can also place my TV or search for my TV. If I don't find, I can browse through here to set the component in which I want to insert. So these are the components, any type of component in which you want to use. You just have to search for the component in which you want. Then you just have to, after getting the components you want, if it's the diamond, if it's the diamond, just click and place it inside. So I'm going to teach you how to do the living room or the tags. So under the architecture tab, I'll come to new tags. First of all, I'm going to put a separate line. So this is to separate rooms. And try and hide it. So I'll use the room area. So let me use the room separator also for the background. So let's try it with the background. So we have to do same for this area. Okay, so after placing in what the rooms, then what we have to do is to search for the room. So I think now it's best for us to remove our layout. So I'm going to tag the room, put the tags in here. So we omitted the bathroom, so you have to put in. So you can now select the room. Use the tab key to select this one. Now you can change the room name here. It should be master bedroom. I can also search for this one using the tab key. Then I'll do bedroom. So this one will be the living room. Or the living area, I think it's good. So I'm going to use a tab key to search for this. And this one will be the kitchen area. This one will be corridor and dining. So here is going to be the entrance for the balcony. So here is going to be a washroom under the WC. I can also change my room tags. I think this one is lucrative. So after this, I can now set all my elements to the right portion. So we are moving on. So after being able to model all this drawing, we are moving on to draw our porch. So I'll go back to my ground floor. So I'm going to place a wall here. So after placing this wall, I would like to align my wall somewhere here. So also align this one here. And we align this one here. Okay, so after aligning them in the video, we are going to take a section here. So let's go back to our So we are going to use our wall to draw something like a D. So you can ask of your client any name you want or any design you want. So I'll edit this wall here like that. Then I'll try and project another rectangle inside. So from there I can delete or I can use an arc. I'll also try and mirror this one. So I can use the trim command, which is the TR, to trim this one. So let's use the arc area. So I'm going to use the trim command again. So after drawing my shape or my design, I just have to do OK from here. So I can come to my 3D area and see what I've done. Okay, so from there we move on to our other design. Which is going to be something like a gym. So how do you draw this? I first have to put a rectangle inside as we did for the second one, the first one. So from there I can do my arc for the J. So let's mirror this one here. So I'm going to provide a line here. So let me put on the chain. So I can trim this one. So let's trim this one here. So this is not working. So we have to find a way to do it. So let me go back to the arc again. It's up here now. Then I can do the trim. So I would like to extend this one just for a design. And I can select this one and delete them. So let's mirror this one here. do OK from here. There we have it. So this is how to draw. So this is DNG. Okay. So we are moving on. So I think we should do this one as P. Okay. So let's use this section right here. And open this one. Because we want to create an entrance here, we are going to do some design like a P. So I'm going to put a line here. Then send it forward a little bit. Then provide another line again. Like this. After that, I can do an up. So now let's trim. So I think it's better for us to do it this way. Let's put a line here. So after that, we can, okay, let me do undo. So do undo, extend this line here, and extend this line to also here. Okay, so now let's move this one somewhere here. Do remove constraints. So back to the modify the just place something here. So we have to bring this one here. So let's have it something like this. So getting your design, you just have to click on finish. So here is going to be an entrance. There we have it. So the next thing that you are going to do is to place the floor or the roof floor on top of it. So I'll go back to my roof and draw my roof. So I think it's better for me to copy this floor. So how do I copy? I just have to select the floor, come to copy, then use align to current view. Okay, do undo, select again, do copy, then paste at a selected level, which is going to be the roof. So I'll go back to my roof. I can now have my floor. Just have to select this one and delete this one. So I'm going to offset my boundary lines 100. Well, I think it should be a design, shouldn't exceed it. So let's move this one here and also create another line here. And that you can do trim. Let's do trim. do finish from here. So come back to your 3D. So you have to edit this wall, which you have to open our section. And you have to do 0 or minus or plus 150. Okay. So it means we still have to do 0 and do our section 5.5. We have to edit this one now. So it depends on the design that you want to show here. So I'm going to select this one and mirror it. So select this one, then use the move key or the arrow key on the keyboard. Then you trim. And there we have it. So we move on to our pergola. So this is what you are going to draw now. So I'll go to my roof. I'll open this section. I'll come to component and come to model in place. And the model in place, I'll choose this, the structure frame, and do OK. So after choosing this, I'm going to use the extrusion and use a pick plane. So I'll come back to my 3D. So the best thing to do is to cancel it first, do finish, yes. Then you use your section box in 3D to move or to cut a section through the wall like this. Okay, so something like this. Now you go back to your roof again and you come to component, model in place, structure frame, you choose this one, you do OK. You now open your section like this. You pick the plane or the extrusion. You do OK from here. So come back to your 3D. Then you pick here. Let's try and put here and see. So I'll open my section, which is section 5.5. Oh, sorry. I'll open this section Kindly allow me to draw. So I think I have to pick pick plane again. So let me pick inside this one. Now let me go back to my roof and open this section. So I can draw my pagoda, something like this. So let's go to the roof and then reduce this one here. You can do finish for now. So back to the roof, I can select this one, edit in place. So I'm going to copy this one here. No, it's better I double edit it. So I have to edit extrusion. So I'll come to my 3D and select here. So I can now copy. I'll move this one if I can move. So I have to copy. Okay, since we have a mistake here, so let's find another way to draw the extrusion. Okay, which is the best way. So I think I'm going to use okay, let's do finish for now. Let me go back to the section. For my roof. Come to model in place. You can choose a structure field. You pick extrusion. Come to 3D. So I've selected here like that. So now let's view the section here again. Try and drop. Let's see. So you can find okay during the extrusion. let me push it out. I'll come back to my 3D. So I have to reduce my view range here. 1300. Okay, I think this one too also can work. So let's use the second one. Let's do an offset of 300. So choose multiple. So let me rotate, try and rotate this one, do a copy, then I'll do 90. So I'll move this one here. Then I have to do undo. Finish with this one first. So there you have it. So the next one is going to be the same working plane. So I'll come back again and do pick. Then I'll choose structure framing again. I can choose the extrusion, pick plane and choose this one. So after choosing this one, I'm going to draw a rectangle on this one. I think it's better we use the pick lines or the line tool. So after drawing this one, then you come back to your 3D area. So you can come to your roof line. You extend this one here. You also extend this one here. Then you do finish. So there we have it. So we are going to draw a roof on the pergola, but first of all we have to get our slate. So how do we get our slate? I'm going to pick here, use the angular, which is 79. I can also check it out like this. So the slope is 11 degrees. So I will go to my roof level and come to the architecture tab, search for roof. So let's move up to this view. We have to check the slope, which is going to be 11. Do finish. Come back to our 3D. There we have it. So let's go to our section. So select the roof and move the roof from here to here. Okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a balustrade here. So you come to the arc tab, then you search for, you set your base level, which is ground floor level. So you check the chain. Or the best thing to do is to use this straight line by picking lines. So I'm going to change this line. So you should delete this or change the type. If you manage to do the rooms, the doors, the components in the room, so you can also take another component here, which is going to be our WC. Search for WC. Take this one. Use the space key to rotate it out. Take the component again. Then search for back. So let's reduce the size of our map. So you do duplicate 2, then you change the length to, let's say, 1 meter. After that, you come to rename and also change it to 1 meter. Do OK. I can place my map somewhere here. So let's put sofa in our living room. So you can also take a section using the previous section in order to see what we've done. So let's place in some more elements which will be for the kitchen. So there we have it. So now we are moving on to the next thing, which is going to be the section. The section details. So this is how to take a section through a building. So let me go back to the ground floor level and delete this section. So I'll select section here. Anywhere I want to take my section, then I'll take the section through like this. Use it like that. Okay. So how do we put our drawings on sheets? We first have to come to the sheet area. Then if you want to create a sheet, you have to right click on the sheet. It gives you a new sheet. So these are the sheets which we have. So I'm coming to my ground floor. So when you open your sheet like this, you just have to browse through your ground floor. You select the ground floor, then you drag it and paste it on your sheet. You can also select this cardinal points, then you hide them by using a bulb. And that you select the view cube or the view box of your phone, then you drag this one like that. So this is how to put some drawings on your sheet. So we have our section here, so I think it's better we do 2 sections. Okay, I think one is okay, one section is okay. So we have our ground here, so we can do our dimension. After that, I can choose to mirror this one. So I'll go to my roof now and also place my roof on my sheet like this. So I have to select this one and hide category. Select my view box, my crop box, and also drag this one inside. So let's search for the section. Now I'll come back to my ground level. So this section is what? Section 7. So I have to open my section title block, then search for section 7. So I'll come to the section, the building section area, select this one and drag in it. Okay. I can also increase the section by using the scale here. So I can choose the assign template to now, which will allow me to change the section. So I'm going to do a popcorn scale 75. After that, I can hide the crop region visible. So this is how to keep a section on a sheet. So we move on to elevations. So we have our elevations on sheet already. So the next thing that we are going to do is to paint our drawing. You can paint in Revit. So we are going to paint. So when you see the 3D here on the right, we are going to paint. So I'll come to my modified area and search for this paint. I'll use this small arrow key and choose paint. So I'm going to have the painting material. So I'll pick the masonry stone and click here. So after clicking here, I have to change this one to realistic. And also search for the other color, which is yellow. So after finishing the painting, this is how to paint in Revit. Okay, so we move on to the roof so that we place our polytons on the roof. So I open my roof level, then come to the architecture tab and search for floor. So I'm going to draw my floor on top of my walls here. So after that, I'll come to the component. When I come to components, I'll search for water. So there I have my water tank on top here. So we've managed to draw our ground floor to the roof, and also we provided sections, elevations. So we move on to the framing plan, which is going to be on this sheet. So how do we draw our framing plan? We have to come to our roof and right click and duplicate. So when you duplicate here, you will have to come to the structure tab and come to build system. First of all, before you can use the build system, you have to open your section here. When you come to reference plane, you use break lines, then you write parallels. So I'll go back to my duplicate view, then I'll do rename from here, then change it to roof. And this. So if you haven't watched how to use our beam system or how to use beam system, kindly check it at the card here so that you watch how to use the beam system. So after creating this and creating also the reference plane, now I can now use my beam system. So I'm going to create the shape of the roof where I'm going to put my beam system. For that, I'm going to use the beam direction and click here like that, because I want my beam direction to be, I want my purlin member direction to be vertical. So I would like to choose the type of timber member in which I'm going to use, which I'm going to choose the 150 by Boomer. So from then, I will have to also check the distance. If it's okay, then I'll just do apply or okay from here. So I'm going to select this ones and do filter if I don't need the tags here. So reframing tags, I'll check that one and just hit delete on my keyboard. So I can come to my 3D and also hide my roof. So there I have it here. I can also view my section. So you see, The roof members has been aligned with the roof level, which is a wrong way to do the roof members. So what we are going to do is to select the roof members, then do click new, right plane, then you are going to do spellings and do OK. So it will not work. So we have to select our roof and come back here, select the boundary, come to edit boundary, set a plane, so doesn't allow us to import, change the working plane. So what you are going to do is to copy this one, just copy by using Ctrl+C. You do cancel, then you delete the roof members. You come back to the roof members again, or the roof framing plan again. Then you pick the beam system from here. So you pick your beam system from here. Then you come to set. Then you come to pick a plane, talents, you do OK. Now you can now paste what you copy. Then you do finish. So I have to align here. If it doesn't allow you, just have to select it and remove it. So the same procedure, I'm going to select everything here, check none, then check the roof, the structure framing tags, then you just hit on delete. Now you can see our members are aligned to the roof. So we are going to do the horizontal members. Let me hide the roof for now. So how do you do the horizontal members? I just have to select my roof framing system and come to copy, paste, align to the same place. So after you align to the same place, Revit gives us a command that there are identical instances. So I don't have to click anything, I just have to come to edit boundary, then change the span direction to horizontal. So I can also change the spacing to 900 and do finish. So after getting this one, I just have to reset my roof, come to my VG and search for roof. Then I can hide my roof now. So then we go to our roof framing plan, then we paste on our roof framing sheet like this. Okay, so we have our elevations in here, we have the sections in here. So we move on to our doors and window schedules. So how do we set the doors and window schedule? So you have to just create this table and give it a type mark, the normal required description. So if you want to change your door, you just have to select your door from here. When you come to components type, and you search the type of door you want, then you change it from here. Also, the same goes for the window schedule. Select the window, change the type here as well. So this is how to change window schedule, or how to do a window schedule. So we are going to do an exterior view to see what we've done. So I'll come to my ground floor. Then under the 3D area, I just have to click camera, stand somewhere here. And I'll choose realistic. So we are going to do our block one for our building. So we come to our ground level and also try and create a fence wall or a boundary wall. So I'm going to set my boundary wall from roof, then I'm going to do minus 800 for my fence wall. So I can also use my triangle, a rectangle, like this. So in a block wall or in a block plan, we normally hide the grid lines. So I'm going to hide the grid lines here. Search for grid. Hide my grid like that. Okay. So after doing this, I'll come to my topo surface or my massing and sites and create a topo. So I'm going to put 1 point at the corner here, 1 point at the corner here, 1 point at the corner here, and I'll do finish to create my topo for me. So let's do reset here. So with the topo, I'm going to change mine to I think I can paint. So I'll come to the modify area, come to paint, then I'll search for grass. So side glass. Doesn't allow me to change. So what I'm going to do is to come back to my, then do material category, search for grass or grass, and do OK from here. So there we have it. So I'll come back to my ground level and create a path for my create an entrance. So I'll come to floor,
stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see
So this is the exterior view. You can still increase the scale. And also reduce the top region here. There we have it on sheet. So guys, we've managed to draw our block plan. Managed to have our block plan. Managed to draw our roof framing plans, our roof levels, and also we've managed to place our drawings on sheets. Roof plan here as well. And also roof framing plan, down sections. There we have it. So guys, I hope you've learned.
Hello guys, I hope this video has been so helpful to you. We've managed to do Revit step by step on how to draw your dream house and also draw for your client. We started with the exterior views. We exported some of our file from the PDF also to the CAD. After that, from the CAD to the Revit file, we did the exterior views, we did the block plan, we did the floor plans, and also sections, elevations, and schedules. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up also, and share the video for us, and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and we also want comment under the section box, and also how to record my videos as well. So guys, I'm suggesting a video for you right here, so kindly check this video I'm suggesting for you. It talks about everything about Revit, and also other videos are coming up. So guys, I hope you are being grateful to what we've done so far. So guys, kindly subscribe as well. Peace, shalom, see you in the next video. Kindly check the video right now. Bye for now.